how to fix camera black screen problem on an Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where you go to take a picture or video with your camera and nothing is showing up. It's completely black. Your camera is not working. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing I would recommend doing is simply rebooting your Android phone. And you can do that by holding down the power button for a second or two and then just selecting restart. Once it reboots, if when you try to take a picture or video, your camera is still black and it's not working, what I recommend doing from the home screen here, swiping up so we can see all of our apps, and then opening the settings at the bottom. Most likely, this is a simple permission issue where your camera for some reason no longer has access to take a picture or video. So we can fix that in the settings by searching in the settings camera. Then you should see camera permission manager, or under privacy, select camera. And as you can see, when I went in here, it says device camera is blocked. So this means that no apps have access to use my camera, but you may not see that. So if you see that, go ahead and select change. Then it'll bring us to security and privacy. Scroll down and go to privacy, and then scroll down under controls and toggle on camera access. Now, if I go back to the camera on my phone, you can see that it is working. Now, if you did not have that option, we can go back to searching camera and select permission manager. And what you want to do is scroll down and you should see a full list of apps that are allowed to access the camera. So as you can see, if I go under not allowed, camera is not allowed. And if another app is not working with the camera, check to see if that app is under not allowed. If it's under not allowed, simply select that app and then change it to ask every time or allow while using app. So now we have unblocked that app from using the camera. And when we go back to it, you can see that the camera works again. All right, so that's how you fix camera black screen problem or your camera not working on an Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Engaging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials.